All right, guys, today my top 5 earbuds, going from 5 to 1. These are my favorite earbuds. They might not be your favorite, but they are mine, and I'll go into why I like each one of them, my top 5 earbuds of 2023. If you're new to the channel, guys, hit that like, drop a sub. Coming in at number 5, and I might catch some heat for this, I know, but the AirPods Pro 2 are still in my top 5. If you are an iPhone user, then, well, these are fantastic. No other way to put it. They're fantastic. Still, the AirPods Pro 2, now out of the 5, they're the worst sounding for sure. They don't sound terrible, but they are the worst sounding. They actually sound really good. Really good ANC still. Some of the best, if not the best, transparency mode. Some of the best, if not the best, microphones. Now, other earbuds that have recently come out probably match the microphones on here or better. Battery life is just and they're pricey, right? What's the price on these? I think they're around $250 still today, which is crazy, but they're just like old reliable. They're just good at everything they do. They're not bad at anything. They're not the best at anything. They're just still, if you want a good pair of earbuds that does everything well, the AirPods Pro 2, especially if you have an iPhone. Coming in at number 4, the recently released NeoBuds Pro 2. These are, I believe, $129, and some of the best sounding earbuds you're going to get. Incredible sound quality. That original NeoBuds Pro look, it's a unique design. They're just a solid pair of earbuds. They sound and can compete in a lot of ways with earbuds that are twice as much money. The only thing that's not great on these earbuds is the battery life. It's just around 4 hours with ANC on and maybe 5.5 with ANC off. So a year ago, that would have been pretty good. This year, it's kind of the bottom of the barrel right now. But outside of battery life, the price is excellent. The sound quality is incredible. The ANC is really good. The transparency mode is good, but not as good as the ANC. They're just a very cool and great sounding pair of earbuds. So these are number 4. Now we're getting into the top 3. And these 3 are definitely in order. And next in line at number 3, another pair of earbuds that were recently released. And I love this company. I've always bought their products. These were sent to me, but still, you got to give credit to where credit is due, because the Jabra Elite 10s are legitimate, just incredible earbuds. They do everything well, kind of like the AirPods Pro 2, but better in every way. They sound better. The battery life is better. The ANC is just as good. Transparency mode still better on the AirPod Pro 2s. Microphones sound great. Like, these things just sound really good. The best earbuds Jabra have ever made, and I've been one of their fans since the 75Ts. Those were fun and great earbuds, especially when they added ANC in a software update. But the Elite 10 here, they're just a fantastic pair of earbuds. Tons of colors as well. I got the chocolate color here. The Jabra Elite 10 are legit. You don't hear a lot about them, I feel like. I feel like they're just as good as any earbud out there, minus my 2 favorite coming up. But they're excellent. Just a great pair of earbuds. Now, coming in at number 2, and this was a difficult choice here between number 2 and number 1. They've kind of gone back and forth over the past few months. For a while, my number 2 now was my number 1. But then the more I used number 2, they started to replace the number 2, the status between 3A and C. Let me tell you about these earbuds. These earbuds are unique in every single way. Great battery life on here. Really, really good ANC and transparency mode. Good mics on here. The unique design and the build quality of these earbuds, just really good. All of these earbuds have app support, or like OnePlus, if you have a OnePlus device, and the AirPods, if you have an iPhone, it's kind of integrated into the info in the Bluetooth section of your phone. But the rest of them have apps available on both iOS and Android devices. And the status app is actually pretty good. These things, I still believe today are the best sounding earbuds I've ever heard. They sound incredible. Plenty of volume on here, more than enough for anyone. The sound quality on these, when you EQ them, right, they come stock, and there's also like the Between 3 Pro or Between Pros that you can put as like an EQ setting in there and get those earbuds, which sound fantastic as well. But these things just sound the best sounding pair of earbuds I believe that I've ever heard. Let me know if you have one that sounds better. Number one is damn close, but number one, as we'll see here, I think just is a better all-around earbud. And number one goes to the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. They just dropped the limited edition white with the OnePlus Open, which I have a video on. And the green colorway is what I have been using off and on between the Status and the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Incredible. They're the funnest pair of earbuds I've had in a long time. I love the look of them, the colors that they have, the matte white, this incredible looking green color, stem style design. You guys know I don't care about that at all. I actually kind of prefer stem style design earbuds anyway, usually better microphones on those. But these have been the most fun pair of earbuds I've used in a long time. And I mean, I guess that kind of works out because I have been using OnePlus devices as my daily driver now for a long time. The OnePlus 11 and now the OnePlus Open, and I will be going back to the OnePlus 11 soon. I just enjoy that device that much. But these earbuds, when using that, there is an app, of course, if you have a different device, but using that app, these things are just comfortable. They sound fantastic. Great ANC, great transparency mode. Really good battery life on these earbuds. They do everything, and they do everything very, very, very well. Think of the AirPods Pro 2, but a step above. They're just a good overall pair of earbuds that do everything well as the AirPods Pro 2 at number 5. But at number 1, the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 do everything better. They do everything great. It's just a great overall sounding pair of earbuds. Just incredible. Big fan of all 5 of these earbuds. I'm sure I'll catch some heat for the AirPods Pro 2, but I was an Apple fanboy back in the day. But it doesn't change the fact that if you have an iPhone, the AirPods Pro 2 are a legit great pair of earbuds. Now, if you don't have an iPhone, I don't even recommend them, honestly. So maybe I'll give an honorable mention to another pair of earbuds. Maybe like one of the ones I just tested are great earbuds. Earphone Free Pro 3 are fantastic, very cheap earbuds and are just as good sounding earbuds as the AirPods Pro 2. So we'll give them an honorable mention if you have an Android device, the Earphone Free Pro 3. But that's it, guys. I'll be back soon. Hit that like, drop a sub. Peace.